Pea shooter.
Creamy on.
Look at the diameter of that bad boy. Yeah, we're doing an oil change in this, bringing the March to the track day that we're going to on Sunday. Yeah, well, one of these on its own is bigger than the pea shooter.
Yep.
Yeah.
Quality.
So we just got this manifold back off Sham Fitz 86.
It's going to be mint on the K11.
Was there yeah, it's going on the K11. So what we do now, just put the turbo.
Rear mounted on the back.
But it's getting
stage 1 tune.
Stage 1 tune. Gotta tune it. Are you a tuner?
Is that tune with T-O-O-N, is it?
You look like a guy that tunes.
No crust.
Tuning. We got the new wheels. They're fucking fantastic. Rhoda GT3s, as Barry calls them. So we got our Carraglen still spring water.
About 3 litres there, Neil.
Okay, cool.
Count 3 litres. 1,
2, 3. So after you've poured in your 3 litres of water, then you're good to go. You just leave as is and walk away.
Start it up.
Yeah, just launch it all in. We need to dip the engine bay for water. So we'll get a reading here then on the stick, which will be a perfect indication. Oh yeah.
It's got another, you're only halfway.
Yeah.
Ooh, fuck. We need some more.
Another litre, mate. So count to 1 now.
Yeah, just count to 1. 1!
That's pretty good.
If you're Irish, you'll know that the old bag of rags is high quality. It's people's old clothes. He liked it. Put a ring on. He liked it. It didn't even say if he liked it. It just says he liked it. Put a ring on.
Put a ring on. We're missing
Lovely
a bit,
t-shirt.
I'd say.
There's the other half here.
Oh yeah. Is it troubling? That is something that you might actually wear.
So it wasn't idling properly, and we thought it was the
Idle air control.
idle air controller,
Which we took off and cleaned.
but it turns out that because we stripped the car out,
Look at this mess.
the ECU was just getting kicked around the place at the last track day.
And someone had a good time wiring it before. That's why we're wiring in that VTEC controller.
Okay, just hacked it up Japan style.
Not Irish style.
Is it Irish? Well, Japanese people are terrible at wiring as well. So. Listen to Manifold. Sham welded it up because it was flattened out. It's not too bad. So now we're doing a tune-up on the Civic. But Barry bought about 10 of these, was there? About 20 of them? 20 genuine Honda oil filters. Just in case he ever needed them.
Just in case we ever needed them.
She's wet anyway. That's all you want.
Manifolds.
Manifold.
Is that a Jasmine manifold, lad?
Yeah, Jasmine, yeah.
Are you doing a bit of video on it? This was bent, obviously. It's gone up this way, so these don't really sit properly. 1060. There's actually a page. Turn the page. Just stay there. There's Damien.
Thank you. Give her. Press the wheel.
She's got 7 waters in it. Shine her up for the big show. For shifters, shifting.
At least it's not the night before.
We're back in the shed. We're back in the shed. We're always in the fucking shed. Fuck off. Barry's back down. He's doing a bit of... Doing a bit of welding, are you? On Adrians Carina.
His Japanese Volvo.
Yeah, his Japanese Volvo. Last time, he's doing this side. He's nearly done. And then on to this side. There's a few holes in it. I love how much use this Civic bonnet has got. The bonnet that keeps on giving. We got the Civic ready last night. We're just going to go collect the tyres now. This awesome Citroen C5 with airbag on the rear is actually an amazing van. We fitted how many tyres in it?
14.
14 tyres fitted in this, so we're going to show you that in a minute. The Citroen C5 has got the sport button. I don't know what it does.
Sport, obviously.
Watch, press sport. Thanks to Clancy and Tremor Tyre Centre for hooking us up. It's kind of shit when you walk into a tyre place and then suddenly go, hey guys, can you change 18 tyres in the space of like an hour? So they really hooked us up. So there's actually somehow 14 wheel tyre combinations squeezed into this Citroen C5 that looks like a slug.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Is that Niall Toolan's drawing?
Well, tooling or tolan. It's in a nice frame now at last.
looks more profesh. See, Ruben's car is in Sweden, so now he just walks around with a framed picture of his car, because, you know what I mean?
And this keeps me quite happy.
Yeah.
At least I can't wreck it like
so-
I did last week.
Get in. We've been driving the car around the business park trying to make sure everything's okay, and the car wasn't hitting VTEC, and we were freaking out. We thought there was too much oil in it.
Yes. I don't know who was at this, like.
Yeah, but
The VTEC solenoid is unplugged out.
the VTEC solenoid is not plugged in, so the car is not doing the VTEC, yo.
Who plugged that out? Who plugged that out? Barry McGrath.
Barry, we're blaming you. VTEC is now engaged. VTEC. I feel like Barry played a practical joke on us and plugged out VTEC on purpose.
Because with the helmet on, you'd be out on track, you'd be like, this feels a bit slow, but you wouldn't know why.
That's the dirty maneuvers these Honda enthusiasts do to each other.
Goddamn Honda guys.
Right, lad, let's see if we have DTEC. In Ireland, we nickname VTEC DTEC.
DTEC,
There's
lad.
a good bang off DTEC, lad. There's DTEC, lad. Whoa!
Strong, wasn't it?
DTEC is strong with this one. She's got a good VTEC, lad. She's got good bang off DTEC. DTEC. Look at DTEC, lad. She has it.
On the oil, on the 1060, look. Look what the tech did.
Yeah, the tech causes rust. But we're so fast, we drive away from rust. Car's nice and fresh. I actually really like these wheels on it. Two cars are cleaned and ready for tomorrow. Now we're just getting a cool hyper rev Japanese style picture of the two cars next to each other because they're nice and clean. Now we're back in the other shed. Well, hey, how are you?
Fucking story, man.
You're fucking flying through it.
How we get in there?
Yeah, very nice.
Not so crispy anymore.
No, it looks fucking great. No more holes to look through.
No. Hey, Sparky, Red Rocket. Come on. You know, when it actually goes up, it kind of pumps.
Yeah.
With the heartbeat, like.
Yeah. Boom, boom. Yeah, so we're using an ignition coil setup. They're not small enough to go into the 20 valve. So you gotta sand a mill off them all around. When you do that, then they just slot in nicely. Like this. So yeah, you can see the way they fit real nice. And then you just rub it off then. Make sure you get it all off. So after giving them a bit of a sand, and nearly there. It's a little too airtight, so we'll give her another go.
What's that? Is that right? And then it's like half time.
Ooh. All right. When you're pulling out.
When I whip it out of my missus' arse, listen. She loves it.
Ooh.
Not good. The other side, look.
Whoa. We're so used to seeing this stuff now, it's great.
Yeah.
That's fucking super crispy.
It does get nasty, doesn't it? And that's the main structural mechanism, so
All right, Jay.
it's not great.
Right, shall I leave you alone for a little while?
Yeah, fuck off. Fuck off.
Very nice.
You could just patch it, but that's shit. You know, like same here. I could have just like scabbed a hole over
Yeah,
that.
I know, yeah.
But it's layers deep, so just chaw it out, put in some plates, and then it doesn't come back.
Yeah.
And it's actually
Do it right.
slightly easier. too.
Hopefully do it once-ish.
Yeah, once a year.
this thing is coming to the track day tomorrow because you had a cool Primera.
I had a Palmyra, but
Had a Palmera of Doom.
got borrowed to go to the airport.
So no.
use this.
So now I love how you're making it look like a drift car for a grip track session.
It's just a piece of shit.
Ah.
Fuck off.
Most times I don't actually fuck off. I just laugh and then you're like, well, no, actually fuck off. Like.
No, it's alright today. I'm just getting a bit of face cancer here. So I'm wearing the safety squints.
Yeah, of course.
They work the mint.
As you can see, he's just working the safety squint here right now.
It's automatic. As soon as the flash comes on, squint. It's mint. Oh no, fire! Inside. Look.
Oh wow, yeah. Some limiter in her, lad. Is she the 84 brain or is she 85?
Oh, plug 'em.
Plug 'em good.
Balls fucking deep, lad. Try and copy the factory butt plugs.
Yeah.
Except for.
Except for that area. Looks like a screaming face thing.
Remember, never put your dick where you wouldn't put your finger. I live by that, and my Mickey is still attached. So
Yeah. It still have
it's
Mickey.
sound advice, man.
Nice. No more holes. See you, Barry.
Fuck off.
Hello. Yeah, so it's incredibly early. It's really shit getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday, but Honda, Transit, and the March. So we got a nice little gang. So Barry brought his own car this time. What is it, a 1999
Integra Type AR.
Integra Type ARR. Barry got a little bit pissed off in our car last time because he felt like it wasn't quick enough.
So I went off and made this.
So he went off and fixed this after being in retirement for about
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, the GoPro's ready now.
Second track day ever, and it's literally the best fun ever. It's really hard to make a video and like film at the same time. We're trying to do it, but the excitement of just tearing around the track, you kind of forget to record stuff. Every time I've tried to go out today, I'm always bursting for a piss right as we're queuing up.
full house.
She's full air. Right, we're going to try to do some hyper rev style battles between Hachiroku and Civico. It's no problem keeping up with the Civic.
Mendes gone.
Bob Mendes gone. Well, you said you were going to do it. How many years did you have this engine?
5 years now.
5 years.
I've taken a lot of abuse.
Game over. You blew 4th gear, then you blew 5th gear probably, and then you blew
My 5th gear's gone.
B18. You look kind of proud, but kind of...
Had a good day then. I did have a